Tell me, how many kinds of Holi do you know of? Of course, there's the wet Holi, there's the dry Holi, there's the Ishq wala Holi, and there is the Himmat wala Holi. And why is there a Himmat wala Holi? Well, because the movie is just around the corner, and we said, let's play Holi.
अरे नैनों में सपना, सपनों में सजनी, सजनी पे दिल आ गया, कि सजनी पे दिल आ गया.
Himmat wala. I mean, it sounds larger than life. So, is it kind of the biggest movie that you've made?
No, it's easily the grandest movie I've ever made. It's truly larger than life, because for me it was larger than my life when I saw it as a kid, and then now to have my name attached to the film. Though technically it's not the same film, it's a rewrite. Yes, it's got some spectacular action which you can watch with the entire family. It's got little over the top melodrama, and it's got some great songs, and it's got a fabulous entry for Ajay, which I don't think you've ever seen for any hero in the last 20-30 years.
And don't forget the humor.
That's 6 fabulouses, and you're cool with the 6 fabulouses that he's given you.
Yes, I'm very cool. I think the film works very well, and I like the whole blend of a mass script and then a humor which is the typical Sajid Khan multiplex humor, so it gels in very well.
रवि बनेगा नया सरपंच और आके मारेगा आपके सर पे पंच.
आज तक शेर सिंह ने जगह जगह बिजली के खंभे लगवाए, लेकिन बिजली नहीं दी.
ये बात तो सच है.
गानों के बारे में बात करते हैं. There's a whole lot of one nostalgia factor that's attached to it, because I've seen that it's been shot in the same way also, and the way they gyrate and stuff like it
It's not in the spoofy zone, in the fun zone. I didn't want the songs to look spoofy. I didn't want the film to look spoofy, and I know that the Naino Mein Sapna song has been oft spoofed in so many different ways, including recently in Dirty Picture. So Farah and myself and our art director Sabul Cyril, we had a very serious conversation as to let's go ahead with full gusto, but not keeping it spoofy.
No, I think they balanced it very well. They kept the same styling of the 80s and the songs at least, and but they gave me moments which were the PT moments, but which suited me more than so it was designed for me, the moments.
The most colourful scene, since it is Holi, the most colourful scene for all 3 of you.
I think the most colourful scene in the film is Naino Mein Sapna. It's a vibrant, colourful, electrifying song with, I think we'll have to tone down the colours in the digital theatres, because the colour just bursts out at you. She's looking colourful, and as
he's looking colourful.
He's looking colourful. His clothes are looking colourful. Almost to the level of just a very fine line between great looking and tack. That's what the whole idea of the song was. It's the most colourful thing I've seen in many years.
Okay, for you, the most colourful part of the movie.
Of the movie, I would connect color with different colors and with different shades. So for me, everything is colorful because it's got different shades. It's got action, emotion, drama, comedy, romance. There is a tiger as a second hero in the film. After a long time, you'll see a tiger. What you used to watch in the 70s, the heroes fighting tiger, and then having scenes with the tiger and all that.
Having scenes with the tigers already got it for me.
Oh.
Shekhar, kya do, please.
I have nothing to say for that. No, but one thing I have to say, Ajay, I don't think...
You're not going to complete 7, are you?
No, not 7. It's a circle of trust. Go ahead.
Ajay, I don't think has... I think I have seen it like an audience, the film, and I feel that I have never seen him perform a character like this.
शम्मा क्या पूछे जिसे रोशन खुदा कहे.
There are 2 reasons in this film. One is the rewrite which I've done for the film, and believe me when I say this, when you see the film, reintroducing Ajay Devgan.
And it's all about reintroducing Ajay Devgan, is it? Your last comments on Holi, the film, and why people should go watch it?
People should go watch it because it's a lot of fun. It's entertaining. I'm sure when they walk out of the film, they for those 2.5 hours, they will forget about their worries and they will say, okay, it was worth it. Clean film. You can watch it with your child, your wife, your girlfriend, and if you have both of them, you can go with both of them also. They will.
Lovely. and he's elbowing me.
Why would the man go with the wife and the girlfriend
It's
for the
for
same
him.
for the
It's for
same
him.
for the same show?
That's
For the
for
same
him.
show.
Why not? Why not? Like this.
No. Then
India वाला तो पहुंच ही नहीं है, पहुंच रही है.
well, have a very happy Holi. And what better way to bring in Holi that 2 days later Himmatwala releases nationally. So go see it, and it's a Sajid Khan film. You know what to expect, and you're going to have a great time. And it is the first time Ajay and me are working together, so you know what not to expect the unexpected. Because I think I've seen the film, and we make a superb pair.
Hey! Color yellow. You know how color yellow? What? How? Like this? It's not yellow.
This is a kind
This
of
is yellow.
Only this is yellow.
Okay, guys, certainly is a happy Holi. And yes, on that note, well, enjoy yourself, keep it safe, and it's Himmatwala time, so go have fun.
के सजनी पे दिल आ गया